The most awaited movie of Indian 3D historic film, Rudrama Devi has completed the film shooting long back, and currently post-production works are nearing completion too, and the film is getting ready for a release at the end of March. Gunashekhar, the director and producer of the movie, is making the movie on a lavish scale, and it is one of the most anticipated movies releasing this year. Now, the latest news about the film is the satellite rights of Anushka Shetty starrer Rudrama Devi has been sold for a whopping price of around 8.5 crores to a leading TV channel. Rana Daggubati, Allu Arjun, Krishnam Raju, Prakash Raj, Nithya Menon, Catherine Thrissa are playing important roles in this film. Maestro Ilaiyaraaja is said to have given very good tunes for this movie, and his fans are eagerly waiting for the songs.
మా సూర్యకు ఒక వింత జబ్బు ఉంది అంకుల్. పర్ఫిరియా టాటా కెనగే
మీనింగ్ చెప్పి
సూర్యుని చూస్తే చచ్చిపోతాడు.
అంటే సూర్యాని లైఫ్ మొత్తం ఇంట్లో ఉంచేయాలా?
లైఫ్ మొత్తం అవసరం లేదు, రోజు సాయంత్రం 6:30 వరకు ఉంచితే చాలు.